Hello YouTube. Got some boxes today. Let's see what we have. Brake pads. These are for the rear of Frankenstein. These are from Max Advanced Brakes. They're low dust ceramics. Really good brakes. Major upgrade over the stock ones on there. Now let's see what's on the big box. Okay, 2 boxes in here. We'll open these up right now. Okay, these are the brake rotors for the rear of the car. Nice, sturdy, a lot of meat to them. Supposed to be better than the stock. Okay, let's check the other box out. This is the other disc brake, the rotor for the back. Seems to be in real good shape. So, I have all my bushings for the front, end links, idler control arm, wheel hubs, front and rear brake rotors, and pads. The question is now, what do I do next? I want to get the lowering springs, and I got to get those custom made, and they cost about the same as a new set of wheel and tires. So I have a choice. Either get the wheel and tires first, install everything, and then get the lowering springs later, or get the lowering springs now, and when they come, then install all this, then get the wheels and tires later. What do you think? Leave an answer in the comments, and we'll think about it. Until next video, I'll see ya.